everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I decided to film another get ready with me. I don't know if you all enjoy these, but my last one got a lot of views, so we're gonna do another one. Obviously, I already did my brows and my lashes. I just cut up a pair of Kiss Mink lashes and I just placed them underneath my eyes. My eyelash line. I've been doing that a lot recently with my lashes and I've been loving the way that they look. They just look like super wispy and natural and kind of like eyelash extensions. So if you want a tutorial on how to do it, because my eyes are pretty hooded and like small, I would love to film that for you. Just let me know. Anyways, let's get started. If you are not yet part of the family, please go subscribe. It means so much to me, and put the post notifications on, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. So I'm not going to do much with my eyes today because I really like the kind of just like wispy, natural kind of a look. And I feel like the contacts are already super bold. These are the Iris Gold Brown contacts from TCDI. I will put my code on the screen somewhere for you to save some money. I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula 24 karat gold serum. This is the collagen serum. This works super nice. My skin has been so good, like it's been just glowing from within. I don't know if you can tell on camera, like if it picks it up or not, besides my scars, but my face has been glowing like super good lately. The texture has just been amazeballs. Like it's been so good to me and I'm so happy. I've been dealing with bad skin for like literally my entire life, and now it's finally like not acting up. And also when it gets around summertime, my skin tends to like clear up a lot and the texture just gets like super shiny and just amazing. So I think that's also like a reason why my skin has been super good. Summer is my favorite season, and I don't know, I just feel like that has something to do with my skin acting like looking this good. Totally forgot about primer, so I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Poreless Face Primer. This one is a sample that I got like gifted with a couple things that I bought from Ulta. So I'm just gonna place this onto the areas where I have the most texture and the most pores, so I can have a smooth surface to work with. I don't know if you all can tell, but I switched out my nose hoop finally to a stud and I love it. I don't know if you can see, but I love it. And I had the most trouble like switching out my stud. I've been having my nose piercing for like 2 years now, but I could just never get my piercing in because this is an L-shaped piercing. I can't get the straight ones in. I feel like those just don't stay. And then the twisty ones that are like kind of shaped like this, and then like you twist it in and then it's like this. It's literally like a question mark. This is what it looks like, and you like twist it in. Yeah, those are really hard to work with. I personally like the L-shaped ones. Yeah, it kind of hurted at first. Like I feel like because I've been wearing hoops literally the entire time that like I got my nose piercing, so that shit hurted. Anyways, let me shut up. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in 20 light medium, and I'm just gonna go in with a random powder brush and I'm just gonna powder that on my face. I don't know if you all know that TikTok trend. I was gonna say trend and hack at the same time, but it's where you like place your powder before your foundation and then it looks like way more seamless. And I've been doing that for so long. Ever since that trend came out, I've been doing it. Trust me, if you haven't tried it, you need to try it because it's really good. Don't know how it works for dry skin though, because my skin is like normal to oily, but sometimes also combination. So I don't know. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte finish spray and just spray a little bit. I need to go buy a new one. I really want to go buy the e.l.f. hydrating spray because I heard that one was really good. I'm probably gonna go get it this weekend. Please excuse my extensions if you like see my real hair seeping through. I gotta do a TikTok video because I am officially a Foxy Bae partner. If you are not familiar with Foxy Bae products, I'm actually using my Foxy Bae box to hold up my phone to film, but here is kind of like what it looks like. This is just the rose gold hairbrush. If you want to know more information, I will link my Foxy Bae referral link down below for you to check out and put my code up on the screen for you to save some money on their website. I'm also going to be filming a TikTok on how I curl my hair with my Foxy Bae products. So if you're interested, just stay tuned for that TikTok. I will put my TikTok somewhere on the screen for you to follow. I'm going to go in with this brush. It's by AOA Studio. And I'm just gonna put a little on there. I don't hate foundation, but I hate a lot of foundation on my face. I hate feeling it. I hate knowing that there's foundation on my face, especially when my skin is like super good, because I just want my skin to look like skin, like the most natural that it can look. So I try to not put on a lot of foundation, especially when my skin is like really nice, unless literally I'm going to like an event where it's gonna be dark and you know there's gonna be pictures taken and all that stuff. But other than that, I like to go pretty light with my foundation. One of my biggest pet peeves is when girls have like amazing skin and they just cover it all with like so much foundation. Like, no, please just let your real skin seem through. It's so beautiful. But I don't judge. I think you're allowed to do whatever you want with your own face, with your own makeup. That's just my preference. I think it's just because I've dealt with bad skin like literally my entire life, so I try to take like advantage, you know, of like my nice skin when it does look really great. Oh my gosh, I forgot how good this foundation is. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. I don't know if I said that already, but I have been applying my foundation with a brush recently, like literally, actually not recently, for a while now. And because I have like pretty bad acne scars, I don't know if you could see them in the beginning of the video, but my scars are pretty bad. They used to be worse. I've been using a scar gel called Moderna if you want to get your hands on it. But I've been using a brush to apply my base because it really does like give me so much more coverage without being so heavy. If you're dealing with acne scars, you should definitely try out like using a buffing brush or a stippling brush to apply your foundation, because I promise you that it applies it so much nicer than a beauty blender. The sun was just out and now it's like gone. It's been so in and out lately. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more foundation onto my scars. And you're gonna want to like pat it in like this. You're not gonna want to like rub into it because that will just take all the product away and your scars will just keep seeping through. Those who know me know I hate having makeup on my lips. Ugh, it's just so nasty. It looks disgusting. It feels disgusting. I'm going to cream contour. I've been using my L'Oreal Infallible Longwear shaping stick. I've been using this to cream contour lately. I've been cream contouring a lot. I love cream contour. I think it looks so like much more natural, I mean, and it just looks like so smooth. It makes my face look a lot smoother. I just take about that much for my cheekbone and I just go in with an angled brush. Oh shit, sorry, my brushes are in the way. And I kind of work in like circular motions, if that makes sense, while like moving back and forth, just so it like blends upwards a little and not like such a straight line. And I feel like powder contour really like shows a lot of my texture as well, so that's why I've also been cream contouring. This is such a pretty color. I forgot to tell you the color. This is in the shade 410 Cocoa. This is like the perfect warm shade, definitely for my olive tone girls, because I think I'm pretty olive toned. Now I'm going to conceal, and I'm going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. This is in the shade 125 Light Natural. And I'm just going to, I'm gonna go a little more like full coverage today. because I usually don't put a lot of concealer on, but today I'm just feeling pretty full coverage, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with this tiny mini stippling brush, and I'm just gonna use this to spread it. And I know it's going on my contour. We will clean that up a little bit. And then I use my sponge to blend it out. I'm just gonna go back with that same contouring brush and just blend that contour back in. As you can tell, this side is like way more defined and highlighted. There's something under it. And then the other eye is kind of just like dull. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead, my nose, above my lips, and then my chin. Now I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. I'm just using my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm just going to set that like this. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronzer, and I'm just gonna contour my nose a little bit. Now that that is on, I'm going to take off my powder now. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Butter Bronzer. This is just to add a little more warmth because the powder and the concealer kind of just went over it a little bit. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I cannot go without my white eyeliner. So this is the Jumbo NYX pencil in, oh shit, in Milk. Like that, super simple. I think this gives me like a really dolly, kind of more enlarged eye makeup look. And then now I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my under eyes. I'm going to do it kind of lighter than I usually do because usually I go pretty heavy with my under eyes. I'm going to go in with my Flower Blush. This is in the shade Peach Primrose. I love this one. This one is like super, super pretty and natural. And then I'm gonna dab a little bit on my nose. And then a little on my chin as well, just to give myself that kind of fleshed, youthful look. I'm actually gonna go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Compass. This is the shade Compass. It's like a kind of gold shimmery shade. And I'm gonna use this on the tip of my nose. I'm not gonna highlight today on my face besides my nose and my eye area, just because I have been really enjoying the matte look lately. Don't forget the brow bone. I have this brown lip liner. It's this swatch, not that one, it's this one. It is by Davis Cosmetics and it's in the shade 8. And I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Just trust the process. I usually don't use like crazy colors like this, but today we're gonna try something new. I'm gonna go in with my favorite lipstick by Anastasia, and it is in the shade Honey, and I'm just gonna go over that. Now I'm gonna go in with my lip crayon. This is by Style Essentials in the shade Naked. I'm gonna go over it like this. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline, I think it says Summer McKern lip gloss. This is in the shade Barefoot, and I'm gonna top it off with this. This is a little more nude than I usually go. I usually go like more pink, but I don't know, we're gonna try something new today. Anyways, I know my hair looks super crazy right now. I have to go film my Foxy Bay curls, so stay tuned for that. But that is the end of the get ready with me. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you all so much, and I hope you're all staying safe and have a blessed evening, day, morning, wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!